Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by turning on the phone's built-in screen time tools and granting any required permissions. This gives accurate background tracking. Once active, start a monitoring period of 3 to 7 days so you capture weekday and weekend patterns. Make sure to record total daily minutes, the top apps, and when peaks occur. That baseline is how you'll measure progress. Keep notes handy, screenshots, or a short log, because informed choices depend on real usage data, not guesswork. Once you have baseline data, configure limits, set daily caps for categories or individual apps, and prioritize which apps must be restricted. Then create scheduled downtime or focus windows aligned with work and sleep. This forces quiet hours automatically. Make sure to tune notification permissions so only essential alerts break focus, and use app-specific timers that lock after expiry. You can also enable graded limits, shorter first, then stricter, to ease behavior change. Test these settings for a day to confirm they act as expected. You finish by reviewing weekly reports and adjusting limits based on progress. Reduce problematic categories by 10 to 30% if needed, and increase flexibility where productivity suffered. Once done, pair limits with simple rewards or incremental goals to reinforce new habits. If you encounter issues, no data, missing alerts, or limits not enforcing, first verify permissions and battery or background restrictions, then restart the phone. If problems persist, reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.